Do you know the power of mantras? Yes, we all know the power of mantras. Our Rishi, Munis, everybody has been practicing mantras for centuries. Now to have one mantra effective, we need to recite that mantra for 125,000 times. That means around 1,25,000 times to make it effective. Nowadays, because we don't have that much time to recite those mantras, I have created a very powerful mantras called hypnotic mantras. Now, what is the difference between hypnotic mantra and normal mantras? Listen carefully. Normal mantras are in a language called Sanskrit maybe sometime, and sometimes we have a problem in reciting them because of the language and we don't understand the meaning of those mantras also sometimes. Definitely the mantras are powerful, they have a very powerful vibration and you get programmed in your mind, but it takes 125,000 times to repeat. So what I have done, being a hypnotist, I have created a hypnotic mantras which is in plain simple English which you can understand. And the effect of hypnotic mantra is when you repeat those mantras, the things goes directly into your subconscious mind and get programmed instantly. It doesn't take time. Each mantra you need to repeat 3 to 10 times maximum to get it programmed in your subconscious mind. Now words are very powerful. So mantras are designed in such a way, each mantra give you a picture in your mind, give a thought in your mind, and it creates a powerful feeling. So you start attracting what you are repeating mantra for. So my friend, I have created mantras, 3 types of mantras. One is morning mantras, which are around 20 mantras. Each mantra has an effect and you will learn how to repeat those mantras, how to use those mantras, what the mantras can do for you and how many times to repeat. 20 morning time mantras which you can practice every day in the morning. Second thing which I designed is abundance mantras. Definitely we all want abundance, and they are around 18 abundance mantras, and each mantra has a very powerful effect on attracting what you want in your life and remove your mental blocks. And then there are about 18, and the third and the most important is night time mantra, night time hypnotic mantra. What it does, because many times when we go home after the whole day of work, our mind is still focused on many negative things, or we are worried about, we get anxiety, we are not able to sleep nicely in the night. So this 16 nighttime mantra will help you to program your mind to go sleep soundly and deeply, and during the sleep your unconscious mind works to attract the things in your life and remove many of your problems, and sometimes you can solve your problems also. So now this workshop which we are conducting is for 21 days. First 7 days you get morning mantras, 20 mantras, and then next 7 days you get 18 abundance mantras, and next 7 days you get 16 nighttime mantras. Now how it will work, let me explain to you. First you will know how to use the mantra, what the mantra will have effect, and then you repeat the mantra with me number of times, and then I'll give you a loop between 30 to 60 minutes loop with the music, which you can play this mantra anytime you want while doing something else. So when you're doing something else also, your subconscious mind listening to it and get it programmed, and that programming is actually much more powerful than we think, because our conscious mind is not disturbing it, not analyzing it, it works in the background and get programmed. So my friend, this workshop is starting from 15th of July for 21 days. You will get mantras every day, plus you will get a digital card also, so that you can take a printout, and each mantra will have a digital card, so you can use it, put it in your pocket, or you can make a poster and put it in your room so you can read them and program your mind. So this is something very, very powerful. I am using it, I am getting a great result from this, and we did this workshop before only in part, and really people enjoyed this. It's a full 21 days program. And now the fees for this workshop, normally I charge 5,000 plus GST, 5,900. As it is a WhatsApp workshop, you don't need to go anywhere and come for the workshop. The fee is very reasonable. It is only not even 2,500, not even 1,500, not even 1,000 rupees. It is 900 plus GST. GST is not my money, government money. So it comes to 1062. That's all, my friend. 1062, and this workshop may not happen again. So if you really want to change your life, this workshop will help you to improve your morning, your daytime and your night time. And each day you will find that you are becoming more and more successful, more and more positive in your life, and you sleep soundly and deeply in the night. Now, my friend, the fees is only 900 plus GST comes to 1062. You can use a Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay or the number given below, or you can use your credit card using our Pay You Money button on my website. The website link is also given there. But remember, when you are doing with the Pay You Money button there, with your only use credit card. Don't use any other mode of making the payment. Your money may get stuck there. Yes, it only works for credit card only. So use your credit card, then send us a screenshot on the number given below. Now, those of you, my friends from out of India, they can also use a PayPal button, or they have to pay in American currency, that is $22 using our PayPal button. Now, whatever way you do the enrollment, remember to send a screenshot on the number given below with your mobile number and name so that we can add you in the main group. Lessons you get every day. First day 9 o'clock in the evening. Afterwards, every day between 5 to 6, you will get 2 to 3 mantras every day. So you can practice and learn. So my friend, if you really want to change your life, this is the course for you. Simple but very powerful course. So register right now, enroll right now, and send us your screenshot. This workshop is starting on 14th of October. 21-day workshop starting from 14th October. The first day you will get a lesson at 9 p.m. in the evening. After that you will get between 5 to 6, except Sundays. Thank you very much.